Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this colorful artwork using circles and dots. A piece of white paper, this is 12 by 18 inches. Circles to trace, a circle stencil like this or a template. Various lids to trace circles with. Colored markers. Dot stampers. Let's get started. First, I'm going to trace many circles on my paper. To do that, I'm going to need my circle stencil, the template here. I'm also going to use some lids that I have from different containers. I'm going to trace circles many times over the entire paper, different sizes. They can even overlap, which means that they're going to touch like this. Some of the circles can even go off the page, like the yellow one right there. So after I do that, then I'm going to use the dot stampers, these, and make a bunch of dots all over the picture. You can use all different colors. I'm going to start with black, and I'm just going to trace many circles here first. I'm done tracing circles. Make sure that you close your marker caps before moving on to the next step. You should hear it click close like this. You might also have marker all over your fingers. That's okay, it's washable. You can wash your hands after the lesson. The next step is to add some color with the dot markers or dot stampers. You can shake the bottle first if you'd like. All you have to do is twist off the cap, and you just put it upside down like this and press it down, and you can make a dot. Okay, and you can leave the lid off until you're done with the project. You can even color like this with these markers too. If you're doing this in a classroom, remind your students not to hammer these. You don't have to press hard to make a dot. Just do it lightly. If you hammer it, it's gonna make a lot of noise and kids are gonna get headaches. So try to do it quietly. All right, I'm gonna get going and I'll stop the video and show you what it looks like when I'm finished. Here we go. I'm done making dots and coloring with the dot markers. Now for cleanup, I'm going to make sure all of the caps go on the right color bottle. You just twist it back on. That keeps it from drying out. I'm going to let this dry on the drying rack, and I'm going to go wash my hands, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's completely dry. Let's look at my finished artwork. I like how the overlapping created like a series of layers to this piece. It reminds me a lot of like colorful bubbles, maybe on top of each other, and you can kind of see through them. It also reminds me a little bit of a stained glass window, all of the bright colors shining through. I can also see like candy, like gumballs, or maybe even marbles. A little bit of planets too. Maybe we're looking at a bunch of planets up in the sky. I hope your artwork turned out awesome. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.